Take a look at this advanced machine with optical grape recognition and selective picking, ensuring only ripe grapes are harvested with utmost precision. And here's the future of apple picking. Tevel's precision robots delicately harvest with speed, precision, and real-time data collection, revolutionizing orchard efficiency. Check out this revolutionary agriculture machine that integrates all work steps that once required multiple machinery into one groundbreaking system. Introducing the intelligent sharpshooter farming robot, feeding billions by distinguishing crops from weeds and making precise fertilization or elimination decisions. Behold the marvel of this cutting-edge machine, swiftly harvesting entire lavender fields in mere minutes. This machine's driver joyfully lives his childhood dream, operating a real-life transformer of his own. Introducing the revolutionary suction litter picker, a game-changer that dramatically reduces roadside litter and keeps highway workers safe from manual litter collection hazards. Unleash devastation upon vegetation with the mighty F724 forestry mulcher, turning forests into mere fragments in seconds. Witness the awe-inspiring Dutz Alice Gleaner R60, gracefully reaping fields of golden wheat with unmatched precision and efficiency. Look at this ultimate hay bale solution that effortlessly picks up and stacks 160 hay bales at a time. Experience the power of the Big Tree Harvester, a phenomenal giant excavator for fast and effortless tree removal. Sugar beet harvesting and lifting made effortless like never before. Fueling the future with GPS chopping and advanced machinery, this fantastic team efficiently harvests hectares for biogas plants, revolutionizing agricultural practices. Introducing the ultimate tree handling machine, capable of effortless removal, smooth transfer, and precise placement of any tree. Forget about climbing trees to cut their branches. This amazing machine makes it incredibly easy to trim tree branches without the need for risky climbing. Check out this revolutionary pine planting machine that sows 2,500 seedlings per hour, spaces perfectly, collects from feeder, scarifies soil, and even corrects obstacles automatically. Witness the game-changing TerraTrek Baby Leaf Harvester, picking lettuce, salad, purslane, and spinach effortlessly with its 120cm wide cutter bar. Hay handling is revolutionized with this single compact marvel, effortlessly transporting, stacking, and packing hay bales, leaving traditional methods in the dust. Introducing the Tiger 8 Beet Harvester, a specialized machine that quickly and efficiently harvests sugar beets by digging into the soil with 8 rows of blades. Thanks to this incredible machine harvesting wheat, baling, and moving straw, working up in the field has never been easier. Defying limits, this machine dominates as a brush-cutting beast, slashing through grass with unparalleled power and precision. The hydraulic wire dispensing machine, a contractor's dream armed with a 500-meter long and 2.5-meter high loading mechanism, conquers fences with mind-blowing precision and ease. Nexat at work yet again with its 1100 PS tractor revolutionizing cultivation, transforming fields with mind-blowing efficiency and cutting-edge technology. This impressive mechanism effortlessly harvests entire fields of carrots in one go. Can you believe this? An autonomous tractor that works wonders in the field, spraying, planting, and harvesting with precision, revolutionizing farming as we know it. I'm sure you've never witnessed anything like this. The high-tech Eero Grapeliner 7200, a grape harvesting marvel revolutionizing vineyards. Rice cultivation is elevated to new heights with this efficient machine, paving the way for abundant and balanced yields. This machine outshines its predecessor, saving on fuel and elevating efficiency to a whole new level. Here we have the future of agriculture. John Deere's groundbreaking collaboration with Volocopter brings the Volo drone, revolutionizing crop management with its versatility, precision, and eco-friendly capabilities. Have you ever witnessed the mesmerizing marvel of a plywood production line? Prepare to be amazed like never before. Behold the Big Bud 747, the world's largest agriculture tractor, transforming fields with unprecedented might and scale. Let's step into the future of tomato harvesting. Look how this high-speed automatic robot is hand-picking with precision, offering selectable ripeness and conquering dense environments day or night. Harness the fire's power for weed removal, a revolutionary solution targeting germinating weeds while safeguarding precious crops. Liquid lime application is more satisfying than you could ever imagine. Watch the Terragator 8103 trike work its magic. I had no idea that this is how celeriac was planted. The days of needing dozens of people to plow a field are over. This machine harvests onions quickly, so there are always enough onions for you to enjoy delicious fries. I've never witnessed spraying on wheat like this. The Nexat 56M leaves us in awe. Ignite your farm's potential with the unstoppable carrier disc cultivator, the ultimate solution for high-speed tillage and the perfect start for your crop. Here we have yet another astonishing marvel. Prepare to be astonished by how this machine effortlessly transforms agriculture. And this machine, the ingenious home-built self-propelled topper, is transforming tulip cultivation, channeling all energy into bulb development for breathtaking blooms. And for the last video, take a look at this massive tractor that makes life easier for farmers.